John Deere tractor.
Nolan Hobbs from WaKeeney, Kansas, and this is the story of my John Deere 1939 unstyled G. Well, let's see if we can get this thing started. Where's the key? Can I get some help? Sure, Nolan, I'll help you out. Nope, you almost had it.
John Deere tractor. John Deere tractor. Have a little look at my John Deere tractor. On the farm, have a little look at my John Deere tractor. On the farm, take a little look at my John Deere tractor. On the farm, take a little look at my John Deere tractor. On the farm, going for a ride in my John Deere tractor. On the farm, going for a ride in my John Deere tractor. On the farm, going for a ride in my John Deere tractor. On the farm, going for a ride in my John Deere tractor. On the farm, John Deere tractor. In reverse, John Deere tractor. In first, John Deere tractor. In second gear, John Deere tractor. In third gear, John Deere tractor. In fourth gear, driving my John Deere tractor on the road. Riding my John Deere tractor. The sun comes up and now it's time to go. Driving my John Deere tractor into the field, these crops I'm gonna sow. I'm driving my John Deere tractor till the sun sets on my John